What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get on top of the SV News building in Skate 4. So let's see how we can get on top of this area in Gull Crest village. You don't unlock it, but reaching it isn't very obvious. If you are near the SV News building, you'll see objectives on the roof that seem impossible to reach, especially if you are trying to complete everything in the game. And the best part is, you can get up here without skydiving or doing anything extra. The easiest way is by climbing the building. Head over near the parking garage. There is a very small ridge on the building that you can climb. It's easy to miss, but once you spot it, you can use it to scale the building and reach the top. I'll show a clip of the exact path so you can follow it step by step. There are a few challenges up here. That's it. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.